When I was young, I did a lot of sports. I did volleyball, basketball, track, bicycle, you name it. So I really used my body, especially my knees, and I'm paying the price right now. So just in my 50s, I already started feeling this pain. I could barely walk, it hurt. And I came to Vero Ortho, and they tried to first do injections, which helped. But I got so severe to the point that it was bone to bone, and there was no other choice other than do surgery. And at my age, that's kind of early, but I had no other choice. Now I play the organ, so I use the pedals, the feet for the pedal board. I'm a conductor, so I can stand for long hours in rehearsals and performances. And so I was very pleased to come here and meet Dr. Stack, and he is my savior after Jesus Christ. And he just gave me a new life, and because I couldn't barely do any activities anymore, and this gave me the chance to do many of the former activities. Of course, I'm not 20 years old, but it gave me new mileage to have for the rest of my life.